floor to Honorable Terry Ridon. Please flash the document summary of transactions.
Thank you, Madam Chair. May we request the Executive Director to read number 2 to number 7 of this particular report.
Summary of transactions. VP Sara's accounts generated a total of 371 large transactions and 30 suspicious transactions from 13 October 2005 to 20 January 2026, with transaction amounts reaching as high as 55.158 million. Additionally, transactions involving other parties' accounts wherein VP Sara was identified as the beneficiary and or counterparty comprised 15 large transactions and one suspicious transaction from 20 June 2006 to 2 April 2025, with amounts reaching up to 7.44 million. Historical trend of transaction reports. A review of the AMLC database records show a total of 417 transactions amounting to approximately 3.92 billion from 2005 to 2026, reflecting substantial financial activity over a long period. Transaction activity was relatively limited in the earliest years, with only one transaction recorded in 2005, 540,000, before increasing significantly starting 2007, when transaction values surged to 208.15 million. Financial movements intensified between 2009 and 2013, with consistently high annual totals exceeding 400 million, including notable peaks in 2009, 704.93 million, 2010, 648.58 million, and 2011, 597.15 million. Activity gradually moderated from 2014 onward, with annual transaction values generated ranging between 40 million and 85 million, except for smaller movements in 2023, 4.78 million, and 2025, 1.06 million. A moderate uptick was again observed in 2024, 13.45 million, before declining in 2025 and early 2026, indicating reduced financial activity in the most recent period.
Kindly read the year-on-year amounts and number of transactions from 2005 to 2026, and also the grand total before proceeding.
Year 2005, number of transactions 1, amount 540,000. 2006, number of transactions 12, 185,485,299.4 pesos and 42 centavos. 2007, number of transactions 14, 208,154,545 pesos and 99 centavos.
Before proceeding, I'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President, as stated in the SALN for 2007, is only 7.250 million. Please proceed.
2008, number of transactions 7, 46,901,376. 2009, 27 transactions.
Before proceeding, I'd like to state for the record that for 2008, the net worth of the Vice President, as stated in her 2008 SALN, was only 18.493 million pesos. Please proceed. 2009.
2009, number of transactions 27, amount 704,928,792 and pesos and 32 centavos.
We would like to state for the record that for 2009, the net worth of the Vice President then was 18.281 million, as stated in her 2009 SALN. Please proceed.
Both manifestations are noted by the committee.
2010, number of transactions 34, amount 648,582,662.40.
Before proceeding, I'd like to state for the record that for 2010, The net worth of the Vice President then was 16.242 million as stated in her 2010 SALN. Please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
2011, number of transactions 26, 597,152,536 pesos and 97 centavos.
I'd like to state for the record that for 2011, the SALN net worth of the Vice President was 14.271 million as stated in her 2011 SALN.
Manifestation is noted.
In
Please proceed.
2012, number of transactions 15, the amount 407,875,524 and 23 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President for 2011 was 14,271,000,000 as stated in her 2011 SALN. Please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
2012, number of transactions 15, amount 407,875,524 pesos and 23 centavos. For 2013, number of transactions 14, amount 406,864,909 pesos and 28 centavos. 2014, number of transactions 15, amount is 252,427,031 pesos and 76 centavos. 2015, number of transactions 25, amount 85,141,813. 2016, number of transactions 13, amount 46,407,353 and 81 centavos. 2017, number of transactions
Before
20.
proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President in 2016 was 34,895,000 as stated in her 2016 SALN. Please proceed.
In
That's-
2017, there are 22 transactions amounting 46,391,903 pesos and 32 centavos.
If I may interrupt, this is only up to 2015, the table which is shown on the screen.
On the other side po, Madam Chair.
To be clear, there's a third column po.
Yes, you may proceed, Honorable Ridon.
No, we can flash the table again.
Kindly flash the table.
No, to be clear po, there's a column, next column po. You can see 2016 in the next column.
The next column after 2015
Yeah.
should be 2016. Secretariat, please.
No, it's flashed on the screen, Madam Chair. It's correct. We can go back to that particular slide.
Is it on the right? Oh,
Yes,
okay.
it's correct, Madam Chair.
It's on the right side, 2016.
Yes. Are you done stating 2017 or no? Not yet.
2017, 22 transactions, 46,391,903 pesos and 32 centavos.
Before proceeding, Madam Chair, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President then for 2017 was 44,828,000 as stated in her 2017 SALN. Please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
2018, number of transactions 26, amount 48,717,694 pesos and 84 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President then was 49,699,000 as stated in her 2018 SALN. Madam Chair, please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
In 2019, number of transactions 34, the amount is 60,231,229 pesos and 77 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the 2019 net worth of the Vice President was 55,613,000 as stated in her 2019 SALN. It is further noted that it was stated that she had no cash or deposits in that particular 2019 SALN. Please proceed.
Manifestation is noted.
In 2020, there are 29.
Madam Chair, can I?
Honorable Diaz
Yeah,
Suarez.
I just didn't catch the manifestation of Kong Terry. Can he be? Can you repeat that statement again?
Honorable Ridon.
Further, we state for the record that for 2019, it was stated there that there was no cash on hand or there was no cash deposits in our 2019 SALN. Madam Chair,
Am I right to hear no cash deposits
no cash deposits,
in
no
her
cash on
SALN?
hands in the SALN.
Thank you very
Madam
much
Chair.
for that clarification, Madam Chair.
Please proceed, ED, for 2020, please.
For 2020, number of transactions 29. The amount is 58,443,465 pesos and 89 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that for 2020, the SALN of the Vice President stated a net worth of 56,583,000, as stated in her 2020 SALN. Further, the SALN does not state cash on hand and cash deposits, Madam Chair.
Manifestation is noted.
Please proceed. 2021.
Quick interjection, Madam Chair.
Honorable Diaz-Guerin.
Just to be clarified, to compare the statement of our AMLAC Executive Director vis-a-vis the question of the Honorable Ridon, ang ibig po ba sabihin dito base sa dokumento ng AMLC or ng AMLAC, merong transaksyon or merong kaperahan at ito ay dumadaan sa bangko?
Tama po.
It's a yes.
Yes.
So hindi po pwedeng itong datos nyo ay hindi dumaan sa bangko.
Tama
Does
po.
it necessarily mean a bank or any financial company?
Banks po.
And Madam Chair, Congressman Ridon was earlier saying that in the SALN, it was mentioned cash deposit zero or walang laman. Did I hear it right, Madam Chair, from Kong Ridon?
Walang laman na
Honorable
pumasok,
Ridon.
pero Diyos ko Lord.
To be very clear, there is no line item that there is cash or cash on hand or cash deposits.
So my
in the
question, Madam
SALN.
Chair, to AMLAC, sigurado po ba kayo dun sa pinapakita niyong datos? Dahil sa SALN nakasaad na wala, tapos dito may sinasabi kayong meron. Are you sure of the figures?
Sure po. This
Thank
is
you,
based
Madam
on records, Madam Chair.
We may proceed to 2021. ED, please state the amounts.
For 2021, there are 30 transactions amounting to 52,893,074 pesos and 94 centavos.
Before proceeding, we'd like to state for the record that the net worth for 2021 of the Vice President was 65,308,000, as stated in her 2021 SALN. There's also no line item for cash and cash on hand, cash deposits in this particular SALN, Madam Chair.
The manifestation is noted.
Please proceed with 2022. ED.
2022 number of transactions 25, amount 41,668,247 and 94 centavos.
We'd like to state for the record that the net worth of the Vice President for 2022, as stated in her SALN, was 71,058,000. Further, we note that there is no line item that states that she had cash on hand or cash deposits in the 2022 SALN, Madam Chair.
Manifestation is noted.
Proceed to 2023, ED, please.
2023 number of transactions 4, amount 4,778,500 pesos.
Madam Chair, for the record, the net worth of the Vice President for 2023, as stated in her SALN, was 77,508,000. And further, there is no line item stating cash on hand or cash deposits, Madam Chair.
Manifestation is noted.
Please proceed, 2024, ED.
2024 number of transactions 28, amount 13,453,000.
We would like to state for the record, Madam Chair, that the net worth of the Vice President was 88,512,000, as stated in her 2024 SALN. Further, we note that there is no line item indicating cash on hand or cash deposits, Madam Chair.
Manifestation is noted.
Please read until the end of the table,
2025, number of transactions 14, amount 1,062,000 pesos. 2026, number of transactions 2, amount 3,454,350 pesos. Grand total, number of transactions 417, amount 3,920,955 pesos. Sorry, 3,920,955,311.88 centavos.
Thank you for reading the table. You may proceed with the next part of the report.
Honorable Ridon, I understand that the committee secretariat prepared a matrix in line with your manifestation. Net worth vis-a-vis cash or bank deposit declaration vis-a-vis transaction per report of AMLC. So if the committee secretariat is ready, kindly flash just to conclude the clarificatory questions raised by the Honorable Ridon, including his manifestations.